is Max? How old are you?
Maxine.
How old is Maxine?
2.
2. When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
Maxine.
When is your birthday?
Needed.
May 3rd? Awesome. Is it your birthday soon? Not soon. You sing happy birthday?
Okay.
You sing happy birthday.